Hey you guys, so we are at it again with another month of Boxycharm. It is September and I love September. That means we're slowly creeping up to October, November, and December, which is like some of my favorite months because I like decorating. I love decorating the house, and I know there's like other holidays you can decorate, but decorating for Christmas is like, it gets me in the mood and all of it, and I'm all for it, and I just keep creeping closer and closer, and I'm like getting ready for it. I know some of you guys probably watch my Boxycharms, so you guys know what I do. I've been doing Boxycharms, other subscription boxes here on my channel for quite some time, and I just like to share with you guys what I get inside my boxes. So I have my own subscription. I do have a subscription also from Boxycharm, and they're one of the longest boxes that I've had for a very, very long time. I really enjoy their stuff inside their box. I just kind of wanted to mention that because with the holidays and stuff coming up, I think it's definitely a great gift to give if that's something that you're looking to give maybe a friend. It's kind of, you know, the gift that keeps giving every month. If you guys are wanting to see one box or another box, I will have timestamps down below, but let's go ahead and get started. We are starting off with the very first box. The theme for this month is BTS, and it does have a picture of a bunch of makeup all over it. And then on the back side, one thing I still really love that Boxycharm does is they put the information about what's inside the product as well as how much it retails for. So the first thing I see here, which is as soon as I opened it, I was super excited about this because I almost bought this. I was at Sephora the other day. My Sephora in my Kohl's just opened up, so I was spending a lot of time in there. And I was like, do I need to get this? But I'm glad I held off because I got this. This is the Glam Glow Youth Mud. This is the glow stimulating treatment. Now, I've heard some people love Glam Glow, some people don't. I've had nothing but amazing experiences with Glam Glow. I have used a bunch, I mean a bunch of their different masks that they offer. I like this one. I like the white one. They also have a hydrating, a blue one that's really good. And then right now I'm using their Bright Eyes, which is their eye cream, and I really like that. I use that during the day, and I definitely see a little bit more brightness under my eyes. And I like the overall feel. I definitely feel like it hydrates my eyes as well. So I'm a big fan of Glam Glow. I have been for a very long time. I've gotten my parents on it, and I've gotten my husband on it. I know for sure this retails for way more than what the box is worth, so this already is a score. The next thing I have in here, ooh, yes, I can totally do this. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lip. Now, I'm a huge fan, again, I'm sounding like a broken record, but I love Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick formula. I've used them for a very, very long time. I've raved about them here on my channel. The shade that I have is Day Slayer, which I think would actually go good with what I'm wearing right now. So here is the shade that I got. Super gorgeous. I think this actually might work. Oh yeah, this is nice. Look at that. Nice light shade. It's got a little bit of a peach undertone. Let's put some on. Oh, I like that. Look at that, right here in the center of the lip, so pretty. And I know that I'll wear this color. I love her formula, it's a win. I have this little thing. This is by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. This is the Pump Your Base Jazz and Hip Hop. Two multi-use makeup sticks. These are what the packaging looks like. Oh, this might actually work. Oh, you know what? I might actually try to use that in my waterline. This is like a matte cream beige shade. And then I've got like more of a copper tone shade. I'm hoping you can see that. I don't have a white liner, so I'm gonna try to use this in my eyes because I don't have a white liner and I feel naked. I feel really weird without having any sort of liner. I just literally have no idea what happened to it. So you know what? I'm doing this now because I have felt so naked without anything in my waterline. Oh my gosh, look at that, whole new woman. You know when you have those couple of steps that you just have to do for yourself in order to feel like all put together? That's definitely one of them, but I'm just so lazy to even look for a white liner. So I'm glad I got it. Definitely, thank you Pinky Rose, because I'm so excited about this. This box is kicking, I love it. So we have this here, which is called Quick Slick. This is the Hair Essence. For those who don't know, quickie is the term given to an activity that is exactly that, quick. I know what a quickie is. I don't know why I'm reading this. There are many types of quickies, but to be clear, this one is supposed to tame your flyaways. Well, you guys know me. My baby hairs stick up everywhere, like all the time. Oh, it really does make those baby hairs go down. Oh wait, why is it milky white? Don't turn milky white. That's the last thing I need. All right, let's just hope it doesn't turn white. It shouldn't, but it's like a little milky consistency. And the wand's kind of cool. Like it's a bent wand, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, I would definitely use that like all the time. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, the last thing I have in this box, this base box, you guys, already killing it, is the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer, an all-day radiant finish with intensely conditioning face primer. That scares me because I don't need all that. All right, let's give it, I mean, I'll try it. I don't know that how well it will do, but it might work during winter months. So let's talk about pricing really quickly. The Glam Glow Youth Mud Mask. This retails for $60. I knew that was totally worth the box already. The Huda Beauty Demi Matte is $20. The primer is $32. The Pinky Rose Cosmetics is $20, the little duo sticks, and then the hair essence is $22. I am super freaking impressed with that box. That is a base box, you guys, and we still have the premium to go. So let's move in. Same card is here, and we got a bunch of wrapping paper. Don't need wrapping paper. The first thing I have here is by Rhubarb and Rose. This is a creamy lip and cheek palette, and this is by Seraphine Botanicals. Ooh, look at the center color. I always gravitate towards those like deep wild berry colors, those like berry colors, but look at that. So there you have the shades, very creamy. I definitely will say that I really like this color, but I think like blending this and these two together would be a really, really pretty color. Now, I don't have a lot of experience with cream products. I have minimal, and by minimal, I mean, I think I own like 2 or 3 products and I stick with them and I don't try anything else. So I'm not the best judge of character when it comes to these. I see something for hair, maybe for my face. I don't know. This is the Bloom Effects Tulip Dew Mist. This is a fragrance-free hydrating mist. Oh, for an instant dewy glow. I won't do that now, but maybe later. But yes, this is what I got. So this is the Smoothing Moringa Weightless Hair Oil. No parabens, no gluten, no parabens, no sulfates. And it's just supposed to be a restorative oil that revitalizes hair from roots to end. I do have this by Complex Culture. This is the Sonic Tea Facial Massager. Yeah, look at that. Look at that neat little gadget. Well, I got to put a battery in it. I don't know where battery's at, but I think we got one last time too. And it's nice. It's really nice. I actually used it not long ago. My daughter and I were using it because we were like, whoa, this is cool. But I like the shape of this one. This one's different. Next up I have is something that's broken. What is this? Oh, Tarte C. This is by Tarte C. It's a little beat up. The packaging is. But this is Skin Perfector. So I'm not really sure if this is a primer or what. So this is it. It's a 3-in-1 formula that enhances, protects, and primes. So use all over as a healthy glow alone or wear under makeup for added radiance. I have really, again, been very impressed with this brand. I have a couple of their products already. I'm using their Hydro Concealer, which is great. Very lightweight, very easy for everyday makeup. Very happy with it. And then the last thing I have here is Milk and Honey. Oh, this is by Beauty Bakery. Look at that. Let's do some swatchy. I'm not really into those pink and orangey tones highlighters though. Oh, look at that though. That is like a true icy white, is it not? It's very soft, which is probably why it says it's creamy. So this is really pretty. You guys, I have not worn highlighter, like highlighting like the cheekbones and everything in a very long time. Since I'm back to wearing masks again at the school, I don't wear a whole lot of makeup during the week. But yeah, I try to make up for it all weekends. I think that's all. Yeah, that's it. All right, so we got the cheek, that little cheek palette thing. So I got this. This retails for $45. This Perfector, I'm trying to find everything. The Skin Perfector by Tarte retails for $32. The Bloom Effects, this thing, I don't know why I thought this was like Evian water or something. This is $34. The Beauty Bakery palette retails for $38. The Sonic Bar, this thing retails for $58. And then the oil retails for $18. So little mix, skincare, makeup, and hair care. Very nice. I will definitely say that I'm very excited about some of these products in the box. There are some really good products to choose from. This one being one of them, the Tarte C thing. I've really been into like trying to dive into their brand. But I'm gonna go with the base box this month. That is what I got inside my box. You guys let me know what you got inside your box. I know that this video is coming out when I'm sure quite a few of you guys have already received your stuff. So let me know down below what you are super excited about for this month. I believe next month we're getting our Boxy Luxes, which is very exciting because it does cost a little bit more, but I always love those boxes. They're just huge and massive and tons of goodies in it. So if you guys have not seen any of my newest videos, I did just post my latest Sephora haul, which I will link right in this area. So make sure to check that out. And again, if you guys are wanting to check out anything old from a Boxycharm, I know they're like older videos, but if you guys are just kind of wanting to know a little bit more like, oh, what can you get in the box and stuff, I will have my playlist down below. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.